Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and today next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, the market is open and we can see that gold has shown upside as expected after the market opening. But the problem is that gold is right now trading in a range. In a previous video, we discussed about the possibility of market going above this range here. And yes, market went above the range. Those who traded, I guess you made some good money as well. That continue. Okay, after hitting the high of 5040, we can see the market came down, and right now market is trading in this range here. What is the range of gold right now? At present, while recording the video, we can see the range of gold is around 49722 to 5040. The numbers may seem to be very big, but as we all know, for our last couple of days, gold is extremely volatile. Okay, small candles are also giving hundreds of pips, so we need to be careful. But at this moment, okay, this is the range of gold right now. So if you're wondering what is the market sentiment right now, more or less, I will say that the market sentiment is bullish. But as we have already discussed a couple of times, that for gold to be bullish again, okay, we need gold above 5100. Until and unless gold crosses 5100, we cannot say that market is bullish again, because market will be choppy for us. If we look at the market symbol, you can see gold rises to over 1 week high. Gold rose above 5010 per ounce on Monday, reaching its highest level in over a week as investors awaited key US economic data that could offer clear signals on the Federal Reserve's interest rate outlook. So this week we have NFP coming up. As we all know, NFP is a major event. Okay, so usually before NFP numbers, okay, we see a sideways market. But the another article is saying gold rises amid growing US-Iran tensions. So if tensions rose between USA and Iran, obviously market will forget about NFP and gold will start going up. But if the things do not escalate, if situation remains like this, then we may see a choppy market. Market may wait till the NFP. So again, stay in touch with the news. Or if you see that there is a sudden movement of gold on the chart of gold, then okay, you'll get the clear-cut idea, indication that something has happened between USA and Iran. Okay, so staying inside the range is very boring, but whenever market stays in a range, it means that the market is getting ready for the bigger action. The bigger action may be the geopolitics, or it may be the NFP. Okay, so where are the trading opportunities then? So in this situation, as overall sentiment is still bullish, I will say that in this situation, okay, we will be looking for buy positions only. Until and unless, okay, market drops heavily. If market remains like this, then we can look for buy position. The best level on the chart of gold is around 4900, the black line at the bottom. The black line at the bottom is not only a support, usual support, but you can see the price action is doing a job here. Means the previous resistance will also be acting as support here. So 4900 seems to be the best level where we can look for a buy position. Or we can say that as long as market is trading above 4900, okay, gold will remain bullish for us. If market breaks 4900 surprisingly, then the picture will be different. But 4900 is the best support. If market takes support, we can hit the buy button. But as we can see right now that there is not much volume in the market. Market is more or less choppy. So we can also, or day traders can also look for a support around 4934, 4935. The dotted line that you see here, okay, this line here, okay, this is another support on the chart of gold. But this is a high risk level. Why this is a high risk level? Because this is not a major support, and gold is crazy volatile in the last few days. So due to low volume, If market takes support, then only go for a buy position. But if you're only looking for reliable levels, then 4900 is the level. Two levels, one is high risk and one is medium risk. Okay, nothing is low risk on gold. And at this moment, gold is taking support around 4972, 4970. Day traders, if you see the market is taking support again, okay, it's up to you. But personally, I'm not sure whether I'll be going for buy or not. If you see the market is dried up, very low volume, then you can look for a bounce again. But keep in mind that you should use a stop loss. And nowadays, as we all know, tight stop losses like 40-50 pips do not work. At least you should be using a stop loss of 100 to 150 pips, means 10 to 10 $15. Okay, otherwise it is very risky. Then you can see that at the top we have a red box here. What is a red box? The red box is the current resistance zone. Okay, and the zone is 5050. Yeah, 5050 to 60. This is the resistance zone. It is a high risk selling opportunity. If you're a day trader, if you're a scalper, okay, then during the day you can look for a selling position around 505060. How much you can expect? Again, you can expect a drop or a selling opportunity of around 100 to 150 pips. Okay, one candle. I'm not saying that there will be a series of candles, nobody can predict, but at least as market started falling from this area, so we can expect at least one candle. Okay, so if market reverses, if market shows price rejection from above, as a scalper with proper risk management, you can look for a selling opportunity of 100 to 150 pips, one red candle. Okay, and as I have already said, 5100, the dotted line at the top, yeah, 5100, okay, is a very crucial level. Okay, so if market goes up, then it needs to cross 5100. So I will say that if market breaks also 505060, then 5050 to 5100, okay, is kind of a no trading zone for us. However, I will suggest you not to trade because we don't know how the market is going to react unless news comes out. Okay, if market breaks 5100, well, let's say tomorrow or by the US session, if you said there is a sudden volume in the market has crossed 5100, then swing traders can look for a position for a couple of days. But otherwise, 5100 is the level that market needs to cross for it to be bullish again. As of now, market is choppy because of the news. We can expect the market will remain in the range only. Time will speak. Stay in touch with the news, and if you are still not a part of the Telegram community, feel free to join. If anything crazy happens, you'll get an update there. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money.